favorite drug dealer.
Weed dealer.
Hey, do you have any more of that platinum blue dream I love? This stuff is potent, okay? Do you have any idea the street value of this?
No, how much is it worth?
I was asking you. I actually don't know how to price it.
Yo, Olive, watch the interior of the Acura silk. Bitch, whoa! See the space between my fingers? That space represents how close you are to being fired!
Maybe your lazy ass should have gotten up and actually done something around here.
Bitch, please, don't act like you run this place. We all know you had sex with Benson senior year for some coke.
It's true. Those were some dark days.
Are you the driver of the ice cream truck?
Oliver!
You ran over my scooter. How am I supposed to feel?
This is exactly the opportunity you were looking for. There's a girl up there. She needs your help. You could be her JFK.
Are you open for business?
Oh, I'm not really an ice cream vendor.
You're sitting outside of an ice cream truck. Why aren't you guys selling?
Everybody shut the fuck up!
Relax, that thing ain't loaded. Morning.
Now that's a sneeze! And that's what made me famous! So humiliating.
Zoo numbers are down everywhere. What we need is a star attraction. Megastar. We could get a Panda eyes. Okay, but we don't want any panda. We want this panda.
Am I famous? My uncle was. He marched for panda liberation. But sport was where my family really excelled.
The race to find the sneezing baby panda gathered momentum today.
Just arrived and I'm already competing with the United Nations. I'm trying to find the baby panda. The panda's just gone missing. Just disappeared.
You're a zoologist, for heaven's sake, not an explorer.
There's one panda called Chi-Chi here. Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi! Chi-Chi!
She made me feel pretty special. I was the biggest star in cyberspace. Well, this time we'll give them something to look at. Life was about to change forever.